Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and activate your Nomad eSIM. I'm going to show you both for iOS and Android devices. So for iOS, you go to your settings, click on cellular, and then turn your eSIM on. And when you're ready to use your data, make sure that data roaming is toggled on and you are basically selecting the Nomad eSIM for the cellular data. So that will activate it. Okay, but in most cases, your Nomad eSIM will automatically activate or start when it first connects to your local network. Okay, and basically the eSIM can only be activated or started when you have arrived at your destination. And if you're using an Android device, this is what you do. Okay, go to your settings, go to network and internet, click on mobile network, and just turn your eSIM on. Okay, when you're ready to use your data, make sure you've selected your Nomad eSIM for mobile data and ensure that roaming is enabled. Okay, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.